Hey guys, welcome back to another video! If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sandy Angel. Also, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss a video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get this look. It's super simple, but I feel that it looks super like clean and fresh and natural. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. If you guys want to see how I did this, stay tuned to the rest of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye! Okay, so first I like to start off with cleaning my face. So I'm gonna use this Garnier Micellar water with my little cotton pads. Next, I will be using this Tula 24/7 moisturizer. Then I will be using my Rosy Lips Vaseline chapstick because it's winter time and my lips are super chapped. Just a heads up, the rest of the video is a voiceover. Enjoy! Next, I will be using this NYX Angel Veil Primer all over my face to minimize my pores. Now I will be applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color light medium, and usually I will only do this under my eyes, but right now I am breaking out like crazy, so as you can see I'm applying it all over my breakouts. Next, I will be applying my new favorite foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Cashew. With this foundation, I did notice that you don't need a lot to cover your whole face, unless you're trying to go for a really full coverage. But if it's just a regular, normal coverage, you just need about a quarter size. Guys, this is one of the best foundations I've had in a really, really long time. And I know it is a little bit on the pricier side, but it's honestly worth it, I promise. And of course, I got tired of my hair being down, so I put it up in a ponytail. Now we're going to put a little bit of color on my lids, and I will be using the Main Squeeze ColourPop palette. And to be honest, I have zero clue how to apply eyeshadow, so all I do is apply one color all over my lid. Now I've been using this Arches and Halos brow pencil in the color Charcoal, and I gotta say this is very similar to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and it's probably half the price. And lately I've been really into the full fuzzy look, so at the end I just brush them up. And now my favorite part, mascara. And of course I'll be using my favorite mascara ever, the Telescopic Carbon Black, and I did about, I want to say 1,000 coats. Next I will be applying a little tiny bit of black eyeliner on my waterline. before I do my bottom lashes, I like to apply my concealer, and I just do triangular shapes under my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin. Then I like to go back in with the same color I put on my eyelids on the bottom of my eyes. And I don't know if it's just me, but I feel that when I apply these colors like on my eyes, it just makes them pop even more. And finally, we apply mascara on the bottom lash. Next, I will be contouring with this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Saddle. Now I just go back in with the Beauty Blender and blend everything before I apply my highlighter. For highlighter, I will be using this liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, and honestly, I have no idea what the name is now because it is so faded out, but I love it. And lastly, I will be applying this NYX matte lipstick, and also I don't know the color of this one because it also fell off. Sorry! And my favorite part, because it smells so good, is this Morphe times Jeffree Star Strawberry Setting Mist, and it smells so good. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see in the next video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!